welcome to RC Industry.
One, two, three, four.
Watching the ship go in. Then I want to know the way again. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I've been wasting time, sitting on the dock of the bay. Well, I left my home in Georgia, and I outed for the Frisco train. I had nothing to live for. Looks like nothing.
Hey, it's Rick here. Well, we're going to do a little work here at the house, and of course I've got the #1 helpers today too. So there's the other one, reinforcements. But anyway, seriously, well, I guess that is kind of serious, but anyway, we've been going to remodel these bathrooms in this house for the whole 9 years we've been here. So, but we're always busy working on the flip houses and doing work for other people. But since I'm kind of slowing that down, kind of thought I'll show you what's going on here. You can probably see on the floor I've got this kind of drawn out, and this is kind of where the new walk-in shower is going to be. We are going to take this glass piece out. I'm going to reinsert that. I'm going to build a new wall there, and we're going to blow this out and go all the way up, because if I get in here and stand, my head's like that far from the ceiling. So, and that's just all hollow up in there. So we're going to take that out and go all the way up to the ceiling. We might just take all this out. I don't know. We're going to see when we get in there. I know here we'll have to stop and go up because there's a closet back behind this. And we're going to leave this window and doorway. But all of this tile, all of these mirrors, I mean, this is just like way too much mirror for me. And the cabinets, we're going to take out this vanity thing or whatever this is to sit here and put makeup on or something, and we're going to move this cabinet down, and then we'll have a place on the wall to put towel racks and everything. So, but again, all this tile goes, all the tile, and we're going to put new tile up. That'll be coming, so you'll see all that, but don't want to show you everything all at once. And then here will be an insert that'll go back that way, and that'll be a place to put, you know, shampoos and all those kinds of things. And then this will be a built-in soap tray. The shower valve will either be at this height or that height. We have not decided yet. This will be an adjustable shower head, because there's a diverter valve in here that you can turn one way or the other to either put it onto the handheld shower or what will be the shower head that'll be way up here. So, but again, all this tub, this peach colored stuff comes out. I mean, we'd already changed the commodes out. I think, I don't know if I ever showed that, but we changed those out years ago because it had those low profile European things in here. So, you know, that had to go. Didn't want that. So today what we're going to focus on is getting the water capped off here in this little area right here. Cold water, hot water. We're going to put a valve on it. I'm going to show you how I do that, and we'll go from there. Alright, show you more. Okay, kids, don't try this at home, but I went downstairs and shut the water off and drained these two valves into the tub, and we're going to take our imp cutter, which is just a copper pipe cutter and it's called an imp because it's small. It doesn't have the big handle on the end because there's not going to be enough room to turn it. So we're just going to slip in here and put this on here. And you just give that a rotation like that. And tighten it up a little as you go. A couple of rounds and then tighten it up again. I'm sure my big head and shoulders are right in the way. And this is like everything else in the house. This is probably built with Schedule N copper line, so it's really thick. But hey, they built this house to last, that's for sure. And the guy that built it was one of the richest guys in the state of Indiana at the time, so he had the money to do what he wanted to with it, that's for sure. It's a cutting through there. Let me, I don't know if you can see that, but right there's the line where that blade is cutting into it, so it's working. It's about to get through it now because it's getting looser. I can feel it. Back in the day, we always cut this copper and then soldered in new valves and did all that kind of stuff, but anymore, it's just so much easier to use these shark bite fittings. I didn't use them for the first 5-10 years they were out because I wanted to make sure they worked before I started committing to using them all the time. And I really like them. They seem to work. I've never had one go bad. I think if you watched any of my videos in the past, you would know that I had some that froze up and broke in one of the houses we bought. I'm not sure if it was the Shelby Street project or what. You can go back and look at it. I'll try to link that to this video. But they will crack. Okay. You know, if you get them frozen, they will crack. So anyway, I'm going to do this other one and I'll bring you back. Alright, we'll get the air out of this a little. Okay. I don't see any leaks. We'll watch that for a few hours before I put the cabinet door back on here. Actually, this is a laundry basket. There's a big laundry basket thingy that clips into this and then folds back into the wall. So anyway, well, thanks for coming along, and I'll probably put this on DuBois County Flips website as well, so it'll be a shared one. We have all the houses, all of the stuff we do to houses, they're all on that website, and then everything is on the RC Industry site. So I actually kind of like these bronze looking tiles, but it's all gonna go. Alright, reach up there and hit that like button, share, subscribe to the channel. We're up to 185 subscribers last time I looked, so be sure and subscribe, and we'll go from there. Bye.
walking down the street. I was minding my own affair.
Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.